How to log into your Adobe account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Adobe account. For that, make sure you have already created an account on Adobe. Now to get started, first of all you'll have to open your Chrome browser or any other preferred browser and go to the Adobe website by typing adobe.com on the address bar. Make sure you enter the correct domain name here. Now press enter to browse it. Wait for a while until you reach to the official website of Adobe. And once you reach to this home page, here at the top right corner of this web page, you will find the sign in button. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the sign in button and you will be presented with the sign in interface. Here if you have created an account using your Google, Facebook or Apple ID, you can select one of these options from the button. But if you have created your account using your email address, then enter your email address in this box. Once you have entered your email address, click on this continue button just below it. Now in the second page, you will have to enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. In case if you forget your password, you can reset your password by clicking on this reset your password option at the bottom and follow the prompts given by the Adobe to recover your password. After entering your password, you can also double check it by clicking on this I button right next to it and check whether you have entered it correctly or not. Once you have entered your correct password, now click on this continue button to proceed further. Give it a moment. And then you can see you have successfully logged into your Adobe account. Once logged in, you can access your Adobe products and services. Also, you can manage your account settings and many more. You can check your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. So that's how you can log into your Adobe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.